Do you know the rules for the past simple tense in your head, but when you try to speak, you freeze up? You aren't alone. The gap between knowing grammar and using it is huge. Today we are closing that gap. Welcome to the Lingo Flamingo. This isn't a lecture, this is a speaking workout. We are going to do a listen, pause, repeat session. I'll be your training partner. By the end of this 10-minute video, you won't just understand the past simple tense, you will be speaking it automatically. Put down your notebook. You need your voice for this. Let's get to work. Here is exactly how this works. We have 3 levels today, increasing in difficulty. For every exercise, you will see a green microphone icon on the screen. When you see the green mic and the timer, that is your turn to speak out loud. Don't whisper. Speak clearly. After the timer runs out, I will say the correct answer. You compare your answer to mine, and then repeat the correct version one last time to lock it in. So the flow is, you speak, I correct, you repeat. Are you ready? Let's start with level 1. We are starting with a warm-up. I will give you a verb in the present tense. You have to immediately say it in the past simple. We will mix regular and irregular verbs. For example, if I say go, you say went. Let's try one test. Go. Did you say went? Perfect. Let's go. See. Saw. Buy. Bought. Watch. Watched. Be careful with that ed sound. It's a T sound. Watched. Study. Studied. Okay, now let's make it harder. I will give you a short sentence in the present, and you change the whole thing to the past. I play tennis. I played tennis. She doesn't know. She didn't know. Remember, for negatives, use didn't plus the base verb. Do you like it? Did you like it? Great job. Shake it out. That was just the warm-up to get your brain switching gears. Now, let's use this in a real conversation. In level 2, I'm going to ask you a question. On the screen, you will see prompt words to help you form your answer. You need to build a full sentence using the past simple. Imagine we are friends meeting for coffee on Monday morning. I'm asking about your weekend. Hey, good to see you. Did you go out this weekend? You should have said, no, I stayed home. Or, I stayed at home. Oh, nice and relaxing. What did you do at home? I watched a movie. Was it any good? Did you like it? Yes, I loved it. So, did you stay up late? No, I went to bed early. That is the best. How long did you sleep? I slept for 10 hours. Excellent work. Do you feel the difference? In level 1, you were a robot translating words. In level 2, you are a human answering questions. This is where fluency happens. Now for the final boss, level 3. We are going to tell a story together. This is a sentence chain. I will start a sentence and I will stop halfway through. You will see the verb on the screen and you have to finish my sentence using the past simple tense to keep the story moving. The story is about a terrible vacation I took last year. Are you ready? A terrible vacation. Last year I needed a break, so I decided to take a trip. I got to the airport but realized I forgot my passport. It was a disaster. I called a taxi and I had to go back home. I ran into my house and eventually I found it under the bed. I rushed back to the airport, but sadly I missed my flight. I bought a new ticket, but it cost a fortune. Cost stays, cost in the past. Deep breath in and out. You did it. You just spoke English for 10 minutes straight using the past simple tense. If you stumbled or made mistakes, that is actually a good thing. It means you are finding the limits of your current ability and pushing past them. Here is my challenge for you. Rewatch this video tomorrow. Try to beat the timer. Try to speak before the green mic disappears. If you finish the workout, I want you to comment down below with one sentence about your weekend using the past simple. I'll be down there correcting your grammar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more speaking workouts. This is the Lingo Flamingo, and I'll see you in the next workout. If your jaw hurts, you did a good job. Which level was hardest for you? Let me know in the comments.